Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Pad Kee Mao. This spicy and savory noodle dish features wide rice noodles and a unique sauce blend. Key ingredients include fresh basil and green peppercorns, which are essential for its distinctive flavor profile. You will also need your preferred protein, such as tender chicken or succulent shrimp. Prepare to create an authentic Thai favorite right in your own kitchen. It is a truly rewarding experience. Before you begin cooking, ensure all your ingredients are prepped and ready. Start by thinly slicing your chosen protein, perhaps marinating it for 15 minutes if you wish. Next, roughly chop your garlic cloves, fresh chilies, and any vegetables like bell peppers or green beans. Finally, soak the wide rice noodles in warm water for about 20 minutes. They should be pliable but not mushy, ready for the wok. Now, let's craft the robust and flavorful sauce that defines Pad Kee Mao. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of soy sauce with 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark sweet soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of fish sauce for a crucial umami boost. Whisk in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper until everything is thoroughly blended. This creates the perfect balance. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil until it just begins to smoke. First, sauté the chopped garlic and chilies for about 30 seconds until they release their fragrant aroma. Then, add your protein and stir-fry until it is nearly cooked through, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, introduce your vegetables and the soaked noodles into the hot pan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.